Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Analytics, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink your Google ads from your Google Analytics property? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Well, why would you want to unlink your Google ads from Google Analytics? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you accidentally connect the wrong account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Analytics account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Analytics, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink your Google ads, first you want to make sure you're working in the correct property up here. Once you've chosen the property, here on the left menu, you're going to click on this little admin button. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to click here on product links. Once you do that, you'll see another drop-down menu, and you want to click on Google Ads links. Okay, here you're going to see all the Google Ads accounts you have connected to your Google Analytics. You can see I just have this one, and in order to disconnect it or remove it, off to the right, you're going to see this little arrow. Click on there. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see more information about your Google Ads account. And in order to disconnect this, up here on the top right, you're going to click on these three little dots. Once you click there, you're going to see the delete button. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, you are going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to delete this Google Ads account from Google Analytics? If you delete this link, all data will stop flowing between the selected Google Ads account and this analytics property. If you're okay with that, click on this blue delete button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Google Ads account has been removed from this Google Analytics property. Now, if you have that connected to other properties, you'll have to do that for each and every property. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Google Ads account from your Google Analytics, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.